Look at the waterfall. Gorgeous. Wake up early in the morning like you just want to come and relax here before you start the day and watch the waterfall. What are you doing today? What's your plan? Anything you do the whole day? Wake up. Take a walk. Go and see me. Go and see somewhere. Whatever you want to do the whole day. But just don't stay the whole day doing like that. Wake up, dress up, or walk. Right? Right here. We're here for a few minutes as we continue our trek. Bye.
You have nothing more to talk about than that?
I just wanted to show people the view. I want you guys to rate this. Look how gorgeous this place is. Look how gorgeous. Look how gorgeous. We're gonna try, like Ray said, we're gonna try to go up there. And maybe we can see it from the up view.
Imagine if this dam broke.
I know.
Could you swim?
No. That would be the end of me too. But look at this. So this is all water here?
This is our reservoir right behind here. This is our drinking water behind here. All this water that's here actually comes from upstate New York, drops into this back here. But this is our reservoir behind this dam.
Wow. This is neat.
But
My
this,
question is, how do those guys get themselves down there? Are they even allowed to be down there?
yes,
But how do they get down there?
probably from up there.
They hide, right?
Probably from up. Anyway, hon.
Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao, ciao.